The Pegaso Z-902 Bacalao stands as one of the most distinctive transport vehicles in Spanish automotive history. Manufactured by Pegaso and unveiled in 1952, this remarkable vehicle served the Spanish roads until 1970, primarily designed for transporting competition vehicles and providing technical support. The vehicle's development emerged from the Z-401 bus platform, with bodywork crafted by Cardi Escoriaza. The original specifications included a 145-horsepower gasoline engine, though this was soon replaced with a 6-cylinder diesel engine, producing 125 horsepower. The Bacalao's most striking feature was its aerodynamic body design, measuring 11.0 meters in length and 3.5 meters in height, earning its nickname, Bacalao, codfish, due to the distinctive gill-like features on its sides. Technical innovations defined the Bacalao's design. The driver's position was centrally located above the engine compartment, surrounded by 7 windows for optimal visibility. The control layout was unconventional. The handbrake and gearbox lever were positioned on the left side, while the reduction gear was mounted on the steering column, requiring drivers to undergo specific training for operation. The cargo area featured practical amenities, including a wooden-lined floor, a small wash basin with a water tank, and a dedicated tool storage compartment. The vehicle could accommodate 2 cars and additional equipment, though it typically transported 1 vehicle along with extensive spare parts. The lighting system incorporated components from the truck model 1060, including an innovative green light indicating safe overtaking opportunities. The Bacalao's career began with high-profile presentations in Madrid and Barcelona. Its first major assignment came in 1953, supporting Pegaso Z-102 sports cars during Le Mans 24 Hours training. Despite its specialized design, the vehicle proved versatile. Before receiving its permanent registration in 1957, it served as an advertising vehicle in the 1955 Vuelta Ciclista a España and provided assistance at Bilbao port for ENASA-exported trucks. Throughout the 1960s, the Bacalao underwent several modifications. The exterior was repainted entirely in blue, and upgrades included new mirrors and additional front lights. The vehicle remained active in both domestic and international sporting events, with its final notable service supporting the CS team and their Lola T100 in 1968. Official records indicate only 1 Bacalao was manufactured, though rumors persist about the existence of a second unit. The vehicle's legacy continues through scale models, first produced by Modeltrans in limited numbers and later made widely available through Salvat's Pegaso collection. These detailed replicas feature metal construction, opening rear doors, functioning ramps, historical license plates, and accurate interior details. The Pegaso Z-902 Bacalao represents a unique intersection of utility and design in automotive history. While its operational life ended with its abandonment near the La Sagrera factory and subsequent scrapping, it remains a testament to Spanish industrial innovation and continues to captivate automotive enthusiasts worldwide.